Hello, wealth builders. Welcome back to OmololaFinanceLab. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments. I'm Fatamosi Omolola, your friendly guide to unlocking financial greatness. If you're new here, we're all about learning, growing, and taking action toward financial freedom with a sprinkle of fun and adventure. Quick question: if you could achieve one big financial goal this year, what would it be? Drop it in the comments, I want to know. And hey, let's make this a two-way conversation. Throughout this video, if anything sparks an idea or you have a question, don't hold back, comment below. This channel is all about you and your money journey. So, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and let's get this wealth building adventure started. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive in. Let's kick off with a powerful truth: wealth begins in your mind. Think rich, and you'll start acting rich. Picture this: would a billionaire binge watch TV all day? Nope. They're probably strategizing their next big investment. Your first secret to building wealth is developing a think rich mindset. Here's a fun exercise. Imagine waking up and saying, "Today, I'll make one decision that brings me closer to financial freedom." Maybe you'll save an extra $10, skip an impulse buy, or read a chapter of a finance book. That's the mindset shift. Why does this matter? The way you think influences your actions, and your actions determine your results. A positive, wealth-focused mindset will help you spot opportunities, take calculated risks, and stay motivated even when challenges arise. Pro tip: start surrounding yourself with wealth-minded people. Whether it's mentors, books, or even YouTube channels like this one who you learn from shapes how you think. Stay tuned because I'll share 5 daily habits that wealthy people swear by, and you'll want to start them today. Now, here's the challenge for this week. Write down 5 daily habits that align with your think rich mindset. Implement them, and share your progress in the comments. Let's make it practical. Examples of habits: track your expenses. Spend 5 minutes daily reviewing where your money goes. Use an app like Mint, Pocket Guard, or even just a notebook. You'll quickly see where you're overspending and make adjustments. Read or watch something financial. Spend 15 minutes reading a finance blog, listening to a podcast, or watching one of our videos. It's like giving your brain a daily workout to sharpen your financial acumen. Set a daily financial goal. Small goals lead to big wins. Save $5 daily, cook instead of eating out, or invest spare change using apps like Acorns. Network wisely. Wealthy people build connections. Attend virtual or in-person networking events and engage with people who inspire you. Practice gratitude. Every night, list 3 things you're grateful for. A positive mindset not only keeps you motivated but also attracts more opportunities. Extra tips: combine these habits into your existing routine. For instance, track your expenses while sipping your morning coffee or listen to a podcast during your commute. I know these habits sound simple, but here's the secret: simplicity leads to consistency, and consistency leads to wealth. Stick around, because up next, we're diving into how to set long-term financial goals that actually work. Let's dream big. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Driving your dream car? Owning rental properties? Funding a scholarship? Start by setting clear financial goals. Step-by-step process. Visualize your future. Close your eyes and picture your ideal life. Got it? Great. Now, write it down. Set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I will save $10,000 in the next 12 months by setting aside $834 each month." Break it down. Divide that big dream into smaller, actionable steps. If your goal is to buy a house in 5 years, start by saving for a down payment or improving your credit score. Create a vision board. Seeing your goals daily keeps you motivated. Include pictures of your dream home, car, or vacation spots. Track your progress. Review your goals monthly. Adjust if needed, but never lose sight of the big picture. Don't forget to comment your dream goals below. Let's inspire each other to aim higher. Up next, we'll uncover the ultimate secret to multiplying your wealth. Hint: it's about making your money work for you. You've worked hard for your money, now it's time for your money to work hard for you. Enter investments. Stocks. Invest in companies you believe in. Start with ETFs or index funds if you're a beginner. Apps like Robinhood and eToro make it easy to get started. Bonus tip: reinvest your dividends, it's like compound interest on steroids. Real estate. You don't need millions. Start with a rental property, invest in REITs, or try fractional real estate platforms. Even parking spaces and storage units can be money makers. Side hustles. Turn your hobbies into income streams. Are you great at graphic design? Offer freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork. Love writing? Try self-publishing or blogging for ad revenue. Passive income streams. From dividend-paying stocks to royalties from creative work, explore ways to earn money while you sleep. Even print-on-demand stores can generate sales 24/7. Remember, stuffing cash under your mattress isn't an investment unless you plan to sell the mattress as a rare antique. Stick with me, because I'll show you how to protect your growing wealth and secure your financial legacy. What's the use of building wealth if you can't protect it? Insurance, wills, and diversification are your best friends here. Get insurance. Health, life, and property insurance are non-negotiables. They shield you and your family from unexpected financial hits. Think of it as a safety net. You hope you never need it, but you'll be grateful it's there. Create a will. Ensure your assets go exactly where you want them to. It's not just for the elderly. Start now. Even a simple will can prevent major family drama later. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risks. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, your money feels the same way. Emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses to weather any storm. Job loss, medical emergencies, surprise expenses. You'll be ready. Protect your digital wealth. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and secure backups for your online financial accounts. Identity theft is real, and scammers don't take breaks. We've talked about building and protecting wealth. Now, let's discuss leaving a legacy that makes an impact. We've uncovered the secrets to building wealth, step by step. Now it's your turn. Write down your 5 daily habits, implement them, and share your progress in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable. Got questions or video ideas? Drop them below, we're here to serve you. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable financial tips. BOOP the like button to show some love, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Before you go, ask yourself this: what's one small financial move you can make today that your future self will thank you for? Think about it, act on it, and watch your financial journey transform. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about creating the life you deserve. Until next time, stay wealthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to OmololaFinanceLab. Bye.